Earlier, we looked at filters, and equalization is just really an application of filters. So equalization usually means applying a filter to adjust the spectral balance. For example, we might want to boost the bass or boost the high frequencies or cut some objectionable frequencies in the middle range. And we have a library in Nyquist called Graph EQ, for short for graphical equalizer. And it's not actually a graphical equalizer, it's still code, but you've probably seen graphical equalizers that have a number of sliders for different frequency bands, and you can slide them up and down and sort of see graphically what the frequency response will look like. The code in Nyquist is called N-band, and it takes an input sound and it takes an array which is divided across the 20 to 20 kilohertz range, so you can put in as many gains and get as fine a frequency as you want. Also, you can look up filters in the Nyquist manual, and we've talked about them before. There are many filters, many options. And also, take a look at the EQ editor in the Nyquist IDE. This is actually a set of sliders, so it's a real graphical equalizer, and you can use it to create EQ functions and manipulate them graphically, and then apply them in your code.